Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Zoho CRM to MailerLite email service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho CRM to other systems. For example, through the MailerLite service, you can add new subscribers, set up email campaigns for them, and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Zoho CRM data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. Next, you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the username and password of the Zoho personal account. You also need to grant ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Zoho account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Zoho CRM data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Choose MailerLite as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Add subscriber. At this stage, you need to connect your MailerLite account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the API key. To get it, go to your personal account MailerLite. Then go to Profile Settings, Integrations. Use Developer API. Copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you need to select a group to which new subscribers will be added with each new contact from Zoho CRM. Now you see the MailerLite fields for creating a new subscriber. You can assign variables to these fields from Zoho. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the required fields are assigned, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to MailerLite as new subscribers for each new contact from Zoho CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to MailerLite. After successful sending, go to MailerLite and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the MailerLite data reception setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.